So this is just this is what I'm looking for myself on YouTube. Just noodling, just easy stuff to play by yourself, lying in the hammock or sitting outside. And you always tend to start playing the blues. But sometimes you just want something really easy, so you don't have to think. And I like Miles Davis, but I can't play because I'm not very good. So this is what I came up with. I think this is all blues or no blues. Using 2 fingers. E7. Move it up. Whatever that chord is. Still 2 fingers. But you see the difference. And what I'm doing with my right hand is two fingers. Well, that's 3 fingers. And this is and then we go to A. 2 fingers, A7. It look like this. And this is first 3 finger chord. Continuing, my computer died. A7. So this is what I'm picking. With 3 fingers here. 2 fingers here. 3, 2, 2, 2. This is basically just whatever it is. B, C, something, C7. 3 fingers. B. But on C, I go up with 4 fingers. Bar. That's why this is fun, because it's so easy to sort of try to solo yourself. And you could do. That's just. Just try to remember to keep the rhythm, and it doesn't really matter if you miss a few beats. you could add. So, something like that.